This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 4, When to Speak and How. The journey to mastering speaking skills begins with assessing one's current level through a practice quiz. We will explore key concepts, voice techniques, and strategies for transitioning seamlessly from listening to speaking. Effective communication hinges on strong interdependence between listening and speaking abilities. By maintaining focus, asking relevant questions, and patiently transitioning, one can fluidly move from attentive listening to articulate speaking. In formal group discussions, active participation through nonverbal cues and polite interjections is crucial. Adapting one's communication style to group dynamics while contributing meaningfully demonstrates conversational prowess. Gender differences in communication styles are evident, with men prioritizing status and women valuing connections. A survey delves into Indian cultural perceptions, exploring nuances like empathetic apologies and the desire for listening over advice. Voice training techniques like books and YouTube videos offer powerful tools to enhance speaking abilities. By mastering elements like pitch, pronunciation, and pace, one's voice can effectively convey emotions, attitudes, and personality traits. Continuous practice, feedback, and self-improvement are key to refining communication skills. Through attentive listening, assertive group discussions, voice training, and cultural awareness, one can become an exceptional speaker across diverse contexts. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.